Rice Millers, Senior Division. Starting at power forward, number 1, Lopez. At center, number 11, Antonio. Power forward, number 26, Zabala. Shooting guard, number 24, Pascual. Mara, number 25, guard. And from the home team, Muñoz, Water Bubalos. Starting at power forward, number 23, Bakaige. Shooting guard, number 14, Gabusan. Shooting guard also, number 7, Tukaben. And at center, number 20, Galutan. And the pride of Poblacion West, Denise. Guard, number 36, Ednes Tawang. And si Ramaya Tos, na magmumula po ay Honorable Mario Pocoy Salvador. At syempre, isang pagbati ng maligayang karawan kay Mr. Michael Nelegrito. Happy birthday. Yan, sa ating isang referee official. Happy birthday po. Jumble between Antonio and Galutan. And Sarsen becomes Mara. Mara speed or balance. Good. And Galutan. Speed again by Mara. Mara. Pass to Zabala. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to the corner. Loose. That's up. And Punta Hamra by Zabala. Dawang setting the play. Pass to the corner. Tukaben take. Here goes Solen, and steal by Zabala. Counter steal by Gabusan. Gabusan to Tukaben, pass to Galutan, and gets the bucket. Mara, looking for teammates. Lopez. Mara again. Set the screen. Mara drop pass to Lopez. Wide open three in shot shot. Galutan grabs the wrist. This team by Pascual. Counter steal. Here comes Gabusan, pass to Bakaige for the answer. Mara pass to Lopez. Pass to the middle. Antonio. Double defender. Pass outside. And goes in blue. Foul using number 36. Dawang. Holding foul. First personal foul, and the score 4-2. 2-point lead team Muñoz. Mara, pass to Lopez, drop pass to Antonio, who is wrong, and follow up by Zabala. All four. Dawang setting the play. Set the screen by Bakaige. Pass inside to Galutan. Double defender, pass outside. Here comes Tukaben, pass inside. Tukaben. And 3 seconds violation. Pascual to Mara. Pass to the middle, Antonio. From 3 to 9. East to David, Zabala for follow-up, and one basket count. Foul using number 23, Bakaige, first personal foul. And one shot from Zabala. This one shot. Dawang. Tuto Kaben, launch the three. Shot is out and goes on the cover. Made the weak shot, lead it out. Galugan, lose the ball, and Lopez.
Ay, putang ina ko.
And there's a foul. Medic. Foul jersey number 20.
Goal! Tanod! Mga bata. Woo! Nanunood. Nakanganga. Walang kwenta. Naaliw sa kanya. Isinumbong ko yan. Tingnan mo, mga may milipit yung mga yan.
Rebounded by Lopez, pass to Mara. Mara and Sabala for the recover. Shot is out. Sabala again, pass to the middle, and still by down, counter steal, Pascual. Pascual, 6 seconds on the shot clock, reverse, Lopez. Gets the bucket. Gakusa set the screen, pass it on to Oben. And there's foul jersey number 26, pushing foul, Sabala. First personal foul. Hipólito. And basket, go ahead. 3 points. Mara. Pascual. Here goes Pascual, goes to make pass inside, and that pass turned over.
Uy, alis kasi kayo dyan. Alis kayo dyan.
San Jose Basketball. Paso Antonio. Basket for the using the foot.
Alis ka dyan.
Dawang. Pass to Oben. To Oben ang data. One in shot. Miss and good ball again. To Oben. Not on the ball. One for teammates. Pass to Lopez. Pass to the corner, Antonio. Not throwing from the baseline. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 3, blocking foul. Pakaige out. And Agnes going in. Here comes Mara. Mara, you step. And another foul from Team Munoz. Foul jersey number 15, hit the head. First personal foul, Angeles. And penalty. Go to the first. 1 point lead, 10-9. Lead by Team San Jose. Over to the second. And there's a traveling violation. Substitution. Ala for the Swiss, and now Mr. Antonio. Dawang, here comes Dawang. Pass inside, Hipólito. Hipólito on the attack, too strong. Lopez, grab the miss. Lopez to Sabala. Pass to the corner, Pascual, step back. Launch a three. Short on the target. Mara, offensive rebound. No good. And Kala for the answer. Kawan. Pass to the corner. Kausap corner three. Yes sir, for three. Rebounds Lopez to Kala. Lopez again. Fires on three. Shot is off. And Pascual offensive rebound. Same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Hala. 8 seconds. San Jose take the possession. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Pass inside to Pascual. Spin, jumper, too strong. And para Sabala. Dawang. Here comes Dawang. Shot is off, in and out, Hipólito. And there's a contact. Foul is number 20. Kala. Holding foul, first personal foul. Second team foul, Team San Jose. Look, on the receiver, Kakusan. Hipólito. Corner three. For three. Mara. To Pascual. Pass inside. Opponent, too strong. Hipólito grabs a miss. Hipólito on the ball. Pass to Dawang. Dawang on the run. Here comes Dawang. And lose the ball is to be Sabala. Sabala on the run. Pass inside to Pascual. Short. And Angeles. To Dawang. Dawang 3-on-1 lays up. Not this time. And single. Munoz take the possession. Long for the receiver. Pass to open man, Angeles.
Bukas na manood. Doon sa Mahiri.
17-14. Munoz lead. Kala. Shot is off. Hipólito grabs the miss. Here comes Dawang. To Angeles. Wow! Short! Sabala. Here comes Sabala. Sabala from coast to coast. And he puts it in.
Tigas na ulo niya, no?
10 points from Mr. Sabala. 1 point lead. 17-16. To Comer. Opanas pass to Hipólito. And the whistle goes.
Malamig.
Foul receive number 26. Liederman. Comer out. Second personal foul. Mara out. Pascual out. Atable, Batani, and Abrahano. 46.
Puro takbo to. Puro takbuhan niya. Mga yan.
No good in the first. Unit out of the second. And one, basket count.
Wala yung tumawag.
Basket count foul jersey number 20. Pushing foul, second personal foul. Hipólito out. Garcia out. And Ramos guy.
Tres yan, tres.
Abrahano. And in the bird of 3-point play. 4-point lead, 2016 in favor of Team Munoz. Ramos setting the play, pass to Matani. Ramos again, fake. Ramos on the down, drive. And yes, gets the bucket. Down. Running by Patani. Pass to the corner. Ramiscal. Down again. Set the screen by Agnes. To Abrahano. Denied. And Lopez recover. Here comes Ramos. Ramos on the run. Counter steal Agnes. Gakusan. Oh no. Lopez to Ramos. And turnover. Down out, Manzano for the switch. Ramos out. Garcia, check in. Manzano. Pass to the corner, Gakusan. Double limiter, pass outside. Here comes Manzano. And again, corner 2, Gakusan. No good. Angeles for the cover. And still Kalakala to Batali. Batali pass to Bermudez. Manzano to Gamusa. Ramiscal, the trigger man. Shot is off. And Garcia on the one. Garcia pass to Lopez. Lopez spin. Lopez on the back. And there's a contact foul, jersey number 15. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. Gakusan out. And Patrick. Check in. And pushing will be given to Lopez. Good in the first. And last free throw. And 32 and 11.
Umpisa pa lang, di pa
And there's double
tinawagan.
foul, jersey number 15.
Hintay pa lumala.
And jersey number 20 from Team Sunset.
Isa pa lang.
Third personal foul, Kalakala. And third personal, Angeles. Manzano. To Patrick, Manzano again. Pass inside. Abrahano, black. Lopez. Lopez, extra pass.
Six man.
Kalakala out. Angeles out. Albeos and Dimalua. Here comes Manzano. And Ramiscal, to Manzano again. Manzano setting in play. Set the screen. You step Manzano again. 10 seconds. Ramiscal from the baseline. Short. And the whistle goes. Foul jersey number 48. Penalty. First personal foul from Scott. Bermudez. Good at the first. Good at the second. Substitution. Lopez and Lakmay for the switch. Manzano to Patrick. Manzano again from top of the key. For 3, Manzano. CM on the ball. Double defender, pass to Patani. Here comes Simaliwa. To Patani, wide open 3. Shot is up. Simaliwa, defensive rebound. Here comes Bermudez, short. And put back, too strong. Manzano. Lose the ball, and steal. Here comes Patani. Patani lays up, and it puts it in. 25 seconds. Alberos. And there's a contact. There's a foul. Jersey number 39, pushing foul. Di Manua. Last 18 seconds remaining. Go to the purse. And last throw. Short on the second. Rebound by Lagmay. Rebounds Lagmay. Lagmay on the run. Lagmay on the drive. Not this time. And Manzano.
Tinakdam.
8 seconds. Abrahano. No good. 5. Rebounds Patani. Pass to Lagmay. To Patani at the basket. 10.
Patayin nyo.
Yung kinemas nga po ron sa ilalim ng court. Tsaka po yung rep. And we're back for the second quarter. And again, the score 29-26. Lead by Team San Jose. Damang Pauling, pass to Manzano. Manzano to Dawang again. Manzano from top of the key. Off target. And rebound. Here comes Manzano again. Pass to Alberos. His speed of balance. Shot is up. And Catalan for the recover. Hit it up again. Bermudez, grab to miss. Garcia. Double defender. Pass to the corner. Patani. Patani, corner 3. Yes, corner 3.
Inom niya.
Here comes Nawa. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 16. Lagging foul. First personal foul Patani. First team foul San Jose. Catalan. Catalan and jump ball. San Jose. Basketball. Garcia, pass to Bermudez.
Nice.
And steal by Dawang. Counter steal by Lagmay. No good. And Dawang again. Dawang on the attack. Drive.
Tawa.
And there's a traveling violation.
Uy! Kanina ka pa nagmamarcha dyan.
Pagkati naman ka, sasambulat lang yan.
Puro pagkain yung dala.
Garcia. Set the screen. Pass to Bermudez. Fake. Pass outside to Patani. Here comes Patani to Bermudez. Pass inside Lagmay. Bermudez. And one basket count. And there's a foul. Jersey number 5. Hit the hand. Catalan. Alberos out. Viterbo. Walcien. And Bizarra for the switch. No good on corner shot. Rebound by Viterbo. Dawang setting the play. Pass to Catalan. Here comes Catalan, lose the ball, still by Bermudez. Extra pass at the break. No good. And Dawang grab the wrist. Here comes Dawang from Dorsanos and one. Basket count. Foul
Napapasunod ka pa.
receipt number 3.
Sayang eh, hindi na naman naabot eh.
Catalan and Gabusan going in.
Malas yata. Awa pa ano?
Papaya.
Warm up pa lang ano.
And ball shot from Dawang.
Na-injury yung dalawang
Good,
sentro.
3-point play.
Sino?
Sentro dito, tsaka sentro.
34-29, lead by Team Sunset.
Injury.
Besara, pass to Lagmay. Lagmay trying again, not this time, Bermudez. Lagmay again, pass outside to Pagani. Here comes Pagani, and the steal. Here comes Manzano, Manzano, yes, he puts it in.
Galing mo sa
Besara,
patay na.
Pagani again, pass on three. 6.8, 37-31. And reverse offensive foul. Jersey number 18. Timeout goal, Team Sunset.
Wala sa gilid, dapat nakatahimik. Sa bilog.
Wala kasing nagaya.
And we're back to the ball game. 37-31, 6.8, Team Sunset equals. San Jose. Besara. Besara. Lays up. Off target. Jacosan. Grab the miss. Here comes Tokaben. And there's an attack. Foul jersey number 4. With the hand.
Mulag yata. Hindi kami na.
First personal foul. Lagmay. And basket. Within the second. Iwaliwat pass to the bar. Bisara to Pagani. Bisara again, pass to the middle. Oh, Panas, too strong. Lumang by Tokaben. Here comes Tokaben. Tokaben on the run. From close to close, lose the ball. And Bisara still. Lagmay on the run. Here comes Lagmay. Drive. Yes, gets the bucket. Pitero. Head run again. And there's Mata.
Ano pa yun?
Basket count. Foul receipt number 62. First personal foul, Bermudez.
Tingnan, didinakdak eh.
And ball shot will be given to Viterbo. Oh, good no ball shot. Bisara pass to the corner. Again, Padani. Too strong. Rebound by Tokaben. Here comes Nawa. Pass to Gakusan. Gakusan lose the ball. And di maliwat. Lagmar. It's with Tokaben. Tokaben. And there's a recover. Gakusan. Dawa. So Gakusan pass inside. And recover 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Still by Patani. Wobbling violation. And timeout goal to Munoz. Back again.
Lagi mo lang papanoorin yung mga pinopost ko para ka nang kasama kitang nanonood.
Here comes Gakusan.
Tingmay lang ko ba yan?
Oh.
Tingmay lang ako, kanda ka rin.
Gakusan. Guarding by Walsien.
Yaman
Second
napakarami.
screen by Dawang. Pass to Dawang again. Dawang on the net. Yes, for 2. Guara. Guarding by Manzano. Pass to Walsien. Walsien. Pass outside. Lopez. Step up on three, pass to the corner. Patani lost the three, went this time. And Tukaben grab the wrist. Here comes Tukaben. Tukaben on the run. Pass to Viterbo. Lose the one and still by Patani. Mara. Here comes Mara. Reverse the gap. Yes. That's the number.
Ulag ano?
Yakushan. Yakushan. And once another over, pass to Damang. Under steal. Here comes Patani. And turn over.
Ano? Ayaw nyo kasi umalis dyan eh.
Langanin yan talaga para pag malakas yung bola.
Hanggat di kayo tinatamaan.
Yakushan. Pass to the over to Koben. Here comes to Koben. Drop pass to Vertebo. Pass to Manzano. 10 seconds. Floater. And for the finish. To Koben. Mara. Here comes Savannah. Savannah pass outside. Mara. Mara on the attack. Acrobatic shot. While seeing the ball. 10 seconds. Here comes Patani.
Patay.
And Jordan. Manzano. To Damang. Lays up. And he puts it in. Isa ka lang kalabangan ng Team San Jose. 41-40. Lopez at takat. Lopez, floater, size up. Lopez, putback. Lopez.
Halos kada laro yan. Na ganito.
Kakusa. Setting the play. Pass to Manzano. Loves a three. No good. Once again, grabs the board.
Tingnan mo kung gano'n na
Here comes Mara.
nag-best play.
And there's a traveling violation. Patani out.
Sa Facebook lang.
Pascual. Viterbo.
Bukas na
And Goben out. Abrahano Patrick
naman.
for the Sweets. And Pascual.
Sa play yun.
Kakusa. Williams Kakusa, guarded by Lost three, shot is up, and Mara grabs the wing. Here comes Mara, Mara on the run, lays up, and yes, basket is good.
Kapatid niya ba boss yung Mara sa dito?
Dawang to Kakusa, lays up. And Dawang Kakusa for the answer. Lopez to Mara. For the hut, Walsien. Here comes Dawang. Pass.
Malamig si Renren.
Mara Aparajan, the good. And Zapata. And hit the head. Powder scene number 7.
Uwi na tayo. Madadapot ka din. Inis na nga ito, ipinto Inis.
Gakusa to Dawang. Double defender, Dawang from the baseline.
Madadapot.
9 seconds on the shot clock. Dawang to the receiver, pass inside, sure.
Inis, ibalis kayo.
Patrick, pass outside. Abrahano, crossover, and there's a basket count. Foul receive number 25, blocking foul. First personal foul, Mara. Open the corner shot, Lopez. On the ball, here comes Mara. Mara pass to the squad. Pascual set the screen by Walchi and those three. And for three. Pascual. And foul jersey number 1 pushing foul. First personal foul, Lopez penalty. He scored on 52-44. San Jose favor. Basket on the first. Within the second. Padre down. Hipólito throwing in. Williams Mara. Pass to Mara again. Extra pass outside. Lopez feet. 10 seconds. Lopez. And there's a foul. Jersey number 3. Pushing foul. Second personal foul, Hipólito. In and out. And last Tony good in the second. Here comes Tawang. Tawang, pass to the corner. Abrano. Tawang, setting the play. Extra pass. Gakusan, fake. Gakusan, fires on 3. In and out. And Bruta. Procomen. Mara, setting the play. Pass to the corner. Pascual goes to 3, in and out, and Gakusan rebound. Gakusan double back. Eight rebounds. Procomen. Procomen, wide open 3. Shot is up. Hipólito offensive rebound. And same ball.
Ba't yung kuya niya wala na?
Yeah.
12 seconds on the shot clock.
Overage na.
12 seconds on the shot clock. Abrano inside. And good in the basket.
Ayan. Ito. Ito kabin.
Mara.
Ayan,
Lopez,
nag-senior na sila.
Tumara.
Junior yan dati.
45 seconds. Pass to Sabala. Rebounds Pascual. 5 seconds. Lopez for 3.
Anim.
Timeout call. Teams Iron City of Muñoz. And they score 56. 6-point lead Team San Jose. And again, we're back. Last 32
Yun kasi yung
seconds.
pinakamalaki.
Remaining for the second quarter. Gapusan to Dawang. Dawang setting the play. Set the screen, Gapusan. Here comes Dawang again. Pass to Hipólito. 10 seconds. Of battle shot. Too strong. Lopez grabs the board. Here comes Pascual at the break. Pascual reverse. And the shot is good. 5 seconds. Abraham corner 2. In and out. And that's the end of the second quarter. And they score 8-point lead. Team San Jose.
lang dumaan.
Yakusan inbounding in Tawang. Here comes Tawang. From elbow shot, the good.
Uy!
Single.
Alis kasi yan dyan! Katigas ng ulo.
Yakuza. To Abrahano inside. And Abrahano for the answer. Mara, same play. Here comes Lopez. Mara again. Mara, pass outside. Pascual. Pass inside. Lopez. No good. And put back. Too strong. And for the answer. Kala for the finish. Here comes Tawang. Go again, step up, and no good. Pascual on the attack, lays up. Shot is off, and Tawang still Mara. Kala. Here comes Pascual again. He's still by Tawang. Here comes Tawang. And he puts it in. Mara, and there's the whistle. Foul jersey number 3, hit the hand. Tokabe now, and Catalan for the switch. Third personal foul, Hipólito. And first team foul, Team Muñoz. Loaded the first. Last throw from Mara. No good on the second. Rebound by Catalan. Here comes Yakuza. Pass inside. And there's Samantha. Foul jersey number 26. Third personal foul, Sabala. Catalan inside and gets the bucket. Sabala pass to the middle, missed the ball. And the goal, shot is up. Abrahano, pass to Hipólito. Here comes Tawang, Catalan, and still by Mara. There's a foul, jersey number 5, pushing foul. Second personal foul, Catalan. Mara, go for teammates to Sabala. Sabala on the attack, pass to the corner. Lopez for a three, bang! 63-56, lead by Team Sunset. Gakosa fake, Gakosa loves a three, and yes, for three. Mara to Lopez again, bumalik ng tres. Short on the target, Abrahano, grab the miss. Here comes Tawang, drop pass to Catalan, and basket is good.
Court niya to eh.
Mara, Pascual, and foul jersey number 24, offensive foul. First personal foul, Pascual. Here comes Tawang, pass to Yakuza. Fire over three! Yakuza! Dalawang na po ang isa, ang Team Muñoz. 64-63.
Parang kanina lang.
Passes to middle, no good. And Tawang goes miss. Here comes Tawang on the break, lays out. And he puts it in. 3-point lead.
Time out ko.
Kalaban ng Team Muñoz. Mara, X pass. Here comes Kala. No good. And Hipólito. Lawang. Tukang kanan. Loose the ball is in by Mara. Here comes Mara. Mara. Oh, Parajan. Short. And Dawang. He over by Mara again. Mara floater. And there's a whistle. Foul using number 3, pushing foul.
Galing niya.
Warning for 5 foul, Hipólito.
Binabang kayo malalaki.
Buong-buo ang loob eh.
And go to the second. And perfect on the line. Here comes Tawa. Tawa pass to Abraham Big, pass outside. Gapos line for 3. Not this time, Hipólito. Tita. Timeout call, Team 7-6. And he scores. And we're back to the ball game. And again, 68-65. 3-point lead, Team Munoz. And 5 minutes, 54 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Here comes Mara. Pass to Kala. Launch a 3. Yes, for 3. And on 68. Dawa. Simple. Last touch Mara. Dawa, pass to Angeles. Angeles, and still by Mara. Extra pass. Pascual. 3-on-2, pass to Lopez. Step up from 3. No good. And line violation. Here comes Tawa. Angeles. To Tawa again, running by Lopez. Set screen by Abrahano. Tawa pass to Abrahano. And for the finish, Abrahano. Takes the lead. Still by Gakusa. Gakusa from Pautoy. For 3. Gakusa. Mara pass to Sabala. Sabala to the middle. And Kala for the answer. Extra pass to Kala. Kala running down and use the ball. Kala. 75-70, 5-point lead. Team San Isidro Munoz. Mara. Substitution. To open in and Tawang going to the bench. Mara, here comes Lopez. Wide open 3. No good. And Yakusan grabs the board. Yakusan pass on Kala. Kala things up. And easy basket. 7-30. Sapala on that drive. And yes, he puts it in. Kala to Tukaben. Tukaben. Pass to Abrahano, corner 2. Tukaben. Sapala. And Mara recover. Pass outside. Launch a 3. Shot is up. Mara with the rebound. Simple. 12 seconds of the shot clock. Lopez from the baseline. Lopez. Good in the basket. Here comes Tomaban. Los Helaine Tomaban. Sabana. Pass outside, Pascual. Run over three. Short. And it is foul.
Mainit.
Jersey
Galing
number
niya.
5. Kakala. Pushing foul. Third personal foul. Kakala now. Barak. Pascual. And Walsian. Katani. And Noviscal. For the switch. Katani. Pass to Walsian. Kala. 5 seconds. Walsian pass inside. Steal by Gakusa. Gakusa naman pass to Big.
Galing.
Leading out. Angeles put back. Comes up. Katani. Counter steal. Angeles. Fadeaway shot. Angeles. For the finish. Wala yun na malaman ng teams. Munoz, 83-74. Good. And Angeles grabs the board. Gakusa. Angeles over. Pass to Gakusan. Pass to lahat. Inside. Not inside. Patani. Williams Patani. Pass to Kala. And yes, gets the bucket. 83-76. Lead by Water Bufalas, Science City. Rob Munoz. Tomaban, send the play, set the screen. Tomaban, spin fade. Tomaban, lose the ball, and Patani at the break. Pass to Lopez, acrobatic shot. And there's a foul. Foul receive number 48. Second personal foul, Raviscal. Substitution. Tomaban out and Dawang going in.
Wolves. Ulit-ulit lang eh, no?
Good in the first. And the last free throw. Perfect 2-9. Here comes now, pass to Vizcal. Tawang again, 10 seconds. Tawang, grab pass Sobrano, pass to Vizcal.
Patay.
Johnson 3, yes sir. Third 3, Vizcal. 86-78 plus 1 minute to Sabana. Darong drop pass to
Patay
Angeles.
na.
Wide open 3 strong. Kanak, well to miss Lopez. Here comes Patani. Patani gani by Darong. And still by Vizcal. Gakusa. For the finish. Kala to Sabana. New step. Pass in the middle. Gather by the rebound. And Lopez to over. Too strong. 20 seconds. Down from those goals. And he got hit.
Again.
Foul jersey number 16.
Wala ako. May meeting.
Second personal foul, Patani. And no good. At the turnovers. Padridi and Gapustan out. 19 seconds remaining. Walsier, pass to the corner, Patani, corner 3, leaving out. 5 seconds, Padri, next time, and Pala, Abrahamo. And we're back for the final quarter.
Hindi, yung sa kabila. Oh. Hindi mo dyan. Tama. Tropa ko lang yun. Oo. Sa lahat ng laban, lagi ka naman magkakaroon. Kaya ako lang. Kilala na nga ako nakapalo.
Yung bound device sa bala. Ramos. Pass to Patani. For the hub. Bermudez, number 9. Sabala Puta.
Nuligan.
Tawang on the run, lays up. And yes, in for 2. Ramos. And take over to Sabala. Sabala on the attack, yes. 2 for 2. Raviska.
Patay.
Following 3, bang!
Alala.
Patani bumawi ng less. No good.
Bukas, nalito ka ba?
And symbol.
May laro ba sa mabili?
12 seconds into shot na. Lopez. Set the screen by Mudez. Lopez corner 3. And for 3, Lopez.
Sila ang pinaghahanda na. Sila hinahabol na.
Tawang Raviscal again. Lorenzo. Yun lang, bumawi. Lopez again, bumawi din. No good. And Padrid. Ramsonis, Padrid on the run. Padrid lays up. And Palag shuts up. Padrid down. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos on the run. Ramos short. Sabala. Hutba.
Open.
Tawang. And there's a foul. You see number 16, blocking foul. Patani out. Third personal foul, Patani. And Lagnay Dominic. Here comes Tokaban, cross the lane. Tokaban, good for 2. Ramos. Here comes Ramos. Foul is number 6. First personal foul, Patrick. Still, Tawang on the run, and turnover pass to Lopez. Lopez on the drive and run. Basket count. Basket count foul jersey number 48, pushing foul. Padri down,
Walang magagawa.
in out. Tatalan and Gapusan.
Bakit?
Third personal foul, Ramiscani.
Siya ang kompleto eh. Complete moves eh.
And long shot. And you convert the 3-point play. Lopez. Here comes Tokoben. Crossover. Tokoben and still play Ramos. Here comes Lopez at the break. Upward. Gakusa. Use the boy. Gakusa. Ramos. Sabala. Pass to the corner. Here comes Lopez from the baseline. Shot is up. Here comes Tawang. Tawang drop pass to Usman. Gakusa for the finish.
Kahit hindi niya i-shoot, nakasus naman, hindi ka niya rin. Ayoko man.
Ramos. Pass to the corner, Lopez. Corner 3, no good. And Bermudez. Sabana from the baseline. And good for 2.
Ayaw ko nga sa mapit.
96-105. Tokoben, pass inside. Big shot, Kanalan, and no good. Sabana grab the knees, extra pass. And turnover, that pass.
Hindi tinalon, boss.
I'm on the call. Team Science City of Muñoz. 105-96. Lead by Science City of Muñoz, Water Buffalos. And 6 minutes, 6 seconds remaining for the final quarter. Here comes Tawang. Tawang in the net. And short. The whistle go. Foul using number 4. Same personal foul. Lagmay.
Bakit may mga mataas?
Within the first.
Paglaro yung sikot ko sa dunya.
And perfectly.
Lalo mo na paglaro yung para pasa na lang kahit pasang bola. Sabi ko kay pare Pudi.
Ramos. From top of the ring. Air ball. Tawang. Setting the play. Pass to Tokoben. Launch the 3. Not this time, and here comes Lopez. Lopez lays down. And he got it. Mababang ito. 5 minutes pa and 25 seconds. Like 178 on this score. And step out of bounds.
Hindi ko nakita eh. Hindi ito.
Ramos. Here comes Ramos pass to Lopez. Ramos again. Ramos fake. Ramos on the attack. Too strong. And bottom with rebound. Tokoben. Grab the reach. Here comes Tokoben. Off balance. Shot is out. Pass to the
Patay!
Shot is off. And Tokoben for no good. And there's the whistle. Foul jersey number 7, pushing foul. Second personal foul, Tokoben. Tokoben now, Angeles for the switch. Substitution. Bermudez now. Kalakaran. Going in. Not mine, too strong. And there's a contact. Foul jersey number 14. First personal foul, Gapusa.
Sali sa
Warning for penalty, Team Munoz.
Miss Gay Cemetery.
Binibining doon.
No good ang first throw ni Sabala. And within the second, Dawang. Pass na matala. Inside. Underneath. From the waist ng Angeles to Gapusan. Lost 3. Bang! Gapusan for the 3 points.
Sabay tinira niya sa mabili. Siyam.
Kaya lumaro ba siya mabili yan?
Ramos.
Siyam.
Here comes Ramos.
Open na.
Ramos is spin. At the traffic. Pass outside. Lopez. Elbow shot. No good. And Science City Munoz goal.
Kaya, binibining cemetery. Binibining yung cemetery, aswang edition.
Dawang pass on the scout to Driverman. Bang!
Edition pala.
Mula ng press. Ang team Science City Munoz. Ramos. Kala-kala. Nagpus the ball. 113-99. Tawa. Running by Lopez. And they go away by Gapusan. Gapusan goes a green. Gapusan.
Magbilang ulit. Yung tres.
Back to back 3 points. And foul jersey number 14. Second personal foul, Gapusan. Penalty.
Ha?
Kalit yung mga bata ko.
With the first.
Nilabas si Mara eh. Nawala si Mara.
Last free throw. Running Sabana. Short of the second.
Maganda at may
And
pangontrol eh.
Alex Rodriguez, here comes Katana. Katana on the break, but forward too strong. And Ramos on the run, here comes Ramos. And there's a foul. Foul is in number 5, pushing foul. Warning for 5 foul. Substitution. Lagmayao, Pascual for the Sweets. Short of the verse. Within the second. Here goes now setting the play. Para pass to the line. Short. And Ramos grab the knees. Rebound. Here comes Ramos. Ramos, you will snap. And the whistle blow. Foul jersey number 36. Second personal foul. Now what? Kabala now. And Abrahano going in.
Oh, yan ang bagong tandem.
With the first.
Basta niya na rin yan.
Ang mukaliit, pero ilalim lang. Parang may stress.
And go to the second. Ramos out and Wara
Yun, oh.
checking.
Ba't nilabnan si Mara? Hindi, kanina pa. Matagal nang nailabas.
Warning for 5 foul. Rabisca. si Sabala rito. Bala, lose the ball. And that's Team Munoz.
Layo.
And the word Kapusan lays up to Sabala. Sabala, too strong, too down. Sabala will over again. 10 seconds. And use the board, Sabala.
Tinauna si Kutoy.
Here comes Tukope.
Late na nung tinauna
Pass
nyo.
to open man. No good. And last two.
Galit na.
And time out for Team Sunset.
120, 104.
And again, we're back. Involved by Tokaben. And Benos to Tawang. Freedom's Tawang. Pass to Mina. And there's the traveling violation.
Na-excite eh. Alam mo, wala ha.
It's too high Tokaben. Off balance, no good. And rebound by Mana. Freedom's Mana on the ground from those to goes. Yes. And he got it. Mina. Still by Mana. Pass to Sabala. Sabala and one. Basket count. Foul you see number 9. Hit the head. First personal foul. Alveros. Gawin ng bonus shot. Rebound by Tokaben. Here comes Tawang. Tawang pass to open man Mina. And from Tawang. Here comes Lopez. Loves a three. Miss on the
Bato,
target.
bato. Dakdak mo. Hoy!
And Mina. Tawang for the lower. That's 1 minute. And there's a foul. There's a number 25. Holding foul. And time out for Team San Isidro Munoz. Six.
Uy, psst.
Go to the first. Tawang.
Kaya mag-spray at season 2. Dati si Tokabil di ba?
Here now on this second. Sabala. William Sabala. Lays up. He's layup. Mina. Kapusan. Pass to Tawang. Setting the play. Tokaben. And 10 seconds. Here comes Lopez. From way downtown.
Bigay.
Tokaben to Alveros. Wow! Sayang. And that's the end of the regulation. And congratulations team Science City of Muñoz. And the final score 123-110. Win by Science City of Muñoz. Water Bumalos. "33 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 5 steals." And jersey number 14, Mr. Michael Gakusan. The bonded best player of the game. Pati po ang iyong mga fans, Mr. Gakusan.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Binigay yung panalo sa amin. Sa mayor namin, si Mayor Baby Arthur Alvarez, si Vice Mayor Nestor Alvarez, sa Lipis Bowlers, sa Bapcars, Witrain Family, sa CBN Bowlers, kay Mayor Bokoy, kay Vice Ali, sa ACR, yung mga nanood dito sa Libis, maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Yung abangan nyo po kami sa Mabini bukas, Game 1 Championship. Mabuhay ang Science City of Muñoz. Tsaka si Chantel, binabati ko pala kay Baby Chantel. Tsaka yung family ko na nanonood sa bahay namin, kay Mama Rosie, sa mama ko na nasa Bicol, kay Papa Rafi na nasa New Orleans. Ayun, basta sa lahat ng family ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kay Uge. Tsaka yung sa boyfriend ko pala, baka magalit eh. Si Trisha Salazar po, number 1. Ayun. Maraming salamat po.
Once again,